This is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. Today, we will discuss resume outlines that create results. Dreaming of a resume that creates results? Here are the 4 major components of a resume outline that will surely give you the best chance for a job interview. Okay, number 1, professional summary. The resume professional summary should be designed to absolutely hook the reader. Its purpose is to capture the reader's attention and keep them on the page for as long as possible. The professional summary replaces the objective statement and should be 2 or 3 powerful sentences that summarize who you are and what you can do to help the company that you are applying to. All right, number 2, areas of expertise or qualified skills. This is the second section and is a list of short 1 to 5 keyword statements that are industry and job description specific. So place these 10 to 20 bulleted keywords in 2 to 3 columns. Number 3, work experience. This part of the resume outline should state your previous work experiences. Depending on the amount of experience you have, it can also include any volunteer work, community or campus activities, even some of your internships. So use brief, powerful statements describing your duties and accomplishments. Avoid using long narrative paragraphs to describe your previous jobs. List the achievements you have made and how you have contributed to your previous jobs. Try to add percentages and numbers to support your accomplishments whenever possible. If you lack experience, try to include your achievements during college and some personal skills that you have had. It would also be better to highlight these things by using a functional resume if that's the case as well. In this section include the position held, the name of the company or the organization, and the dates that you worked there. The work experience should be written in reverse chronological order. All right, number 4, education. Make sure that you mention your degree and the name of the school of your institution that you graduated from. If you received any awards, scholarships, and honors, make sure that you include these as well. All right, if you do not have a college degree, make sure that you include any training or certifications that you have received. This will definitely boost that education portion. There are some other components that you could do to include your resume outline, but these are mentioned are by far, the most significant. So improve on these sections and customize them to the position that you're applying for, and it will increase your chances of getting interviewed. For more detailed tips, tricks, and training, check out gethiredsecrets.com. Again, that's gethiredsecrets.com. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.